In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with GrammarlyGo. Whether you're looking to enhance your writing skills or make your text clearer and error-free, GrammarlyGo is a fantastic tool to add to your digital toolkit. To begin, we'll need to visit the Grammarly website. Simply type Grammarly into your search engine and click on the correct link to access their homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to Get Grammarly. Go ahead and click on that button. This will lead you to a page where you can get started with Grammarly by creating an account. If you're new to Grammarly, click on the option to sign up for a new account. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you've successfully signed up and logged in, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. Here, you'll find a variety of tools and options that Grammarly offers. Focus your attention on the Apps section. Clicking this will show you options to download Grammarly for different platforms. First, click to install Grammarly for Windows if you're using a PC. This will download the app onto your computer, making word processing even easier. After that, let's move to install Grammarly for Chrome. Click on the option that says Install for Chrome, and this will open the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. Here, click Add to Chrome, and then confirm your choice by clicking Add Extension. Once you've completed this step, it's a good idea to pin Grammarly to your Chrome extensions for easy access. To do this, simply click on the puzzle icon in the top right corner of your browser, find Grammarly in the list, and click the pin icon next to it. Now that you've installed Grammarly across your devices, let's put it to use. One of the key features of GrammarlyGo is its functionality within Google Docs. So let's start there. Open up Google Docs and open any document you're working on. Look for the Grammarly icon, which will usually appear towards the bottom right of your screen. Click on it to activate Grammarly within your document. Now you'll get the chance to set the voice tone for Grammarly's suggestions to align with your intended writing style. Choose the tone that best fits the context of your writing and click Use this voice. With this setup, start writing your prompt within Google Docs. You'll notice that Grammarly will give you recommendations and corrections as you go. The AI also offers suggestions, making your writing process smoother and more efficient. Finally, when you're happy with the results, you can copy and paste the text from Google Docs to wherever you need it. And that's it, you've just learned how to use GrammarlyGo to enhance your writing across various platforms. Happy writing and enjoy the newfound ease GrammarlyGo brings to your projects.